G'day guys, Anthony from High Country Adventure Tours here. Today I want to talk to you about one of the most important accessories that Big Red has got, and that's an awning. We've got fitted the OCAM 4x4 awning. It's 2.5 long by 3 meters out, and in conditions like this that we're experiencing right now, we're in about 200 mil of snow, and we've got snow forecast for tonight. So tonight it's going to keep us nice and dry out of the elements. So over the years we've seen a number of people struggling setting up their awning, sometimes taking 2 to 3 people to set it up. We've got a few tricks to show you to set it up in no time just by using one person. So we'll show you how to do it right now and we'll get into it. So this awning comes with a waterproof PVC bag and heavy duty zips. So the trick we've got to make easy setup for one person is before we start rolling it out, we grab the side poles out of the channel here, we put them out, extend them, that way for when we start rolling out, the poles are already in waiting for us, we don't have to walk back and grab them. So once rolled out, just grab your poles here at the end, undo the cam locks, just bung them down loosely, same on the other side. Just keeping tension on it. Grab our side poles that we already extended out into the hole there. Bit of tension on the cam locks. Same on the other side. And just adjust your height a little bit. This is where you get your tension on your canvas here. Unlock, tighten, Velcro straps. So once you've got your awning set up, if it's windy outside, it's very important that you peg it out. Otherwise the wind will catch it, flip it over your four-wheel drive and most likely damage it. Very simple process. Just over the your spreader pole there. Run your rope out. Got your tension on there. Easy as that. Well, there you have it guys, that's the OCAM awning all set up. One person and you're next to no time. If you want to get yours, check them out, OCAM4x4.com.au. I'm Anthony from High Country Adventure Tours and we look forward to seeing you in the bush someday.